Zingwango market, Zingwango is in the heart of Planter City. If we are to start discussing Zingwango market, one would expect a market
munabuka chimpwirikiti mnyumba ya malamulo pamene mkulu wina wa chigawo chotsutsa adasisa mpweya, ndipo inali nthawi imene olemekezeka a Penjani Frederick Kaluwa amapereka ripoti yawo yokhuzana ndi constituency makamaka nkhani ya misika kumenemu. Mkulu wina adasisa mpweya ndithu inde kupuma. Tikulandireni kulikonse kumene muli pa Malawi lero, ndipo takhala ndipompo muone kuti zinali bwanji mu nthawi imeneyo.
We finish with Blantyre Sochi Zingwangwa. My neighbor, my brother, when you're asking your question, also mention about Bangwe market, please.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you for giving the people of Blantyre Sochi Zingwangwa constituency a chance to ask a supplementary question to the Minister of Local Government. So my supplementary question has got three parts. One, we're discussing markets, and we're in 2025. Most of the markets that I've seen, most of the markets that I see, these are not structures that would make us proud in 2040, in 2050. So I wanted to find out from the Minister of Local Government if we have plans as a country to sort of modernize the designs, so that we could have designs that would still be proud to call them markets. Now, I would refer that to Zingwango market, for instance. Zingwango market, Zingwango is in the heart of Planter City. If we are to start discussing Zingwango market, one would expect a market Okay, Mr. Speaker.
Order. Nzanu akupuma. Order. Let's pay attention.
Yeah. So,
Blantyre Sochi Zingwango is holding the floor.
Yes. Thank you once again, Mr. Speaker. So, for Zingwango is in the heart of Planter City, a commercial city. So, we would love to have a market that is modern enough, probably double story, 3 stories. We have sections, the money section, the food court, but it should be a market that is befitting the city. The third part of my question, Mr. Speaker, sir, we've had 2 or 3 questions and situations where, for instance, in Mulanje Central, we've got a market that was built and they haven't had connection, power connection, electricity, ESCOM, for years. And the issue is with councils. The councils did not do anything in the past 3 or 4 years. And yet these are the same councils that are trying to manage CDF. So, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would love to understand what is happening through you, to the Minister of Local Government. Why is it that these councils are not being responsible and timely with regards to connecting markets or hospitals or schools with electricity? Lastly, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to know the plans for the Minister, the plans for Bangwe Market, where my brother, Mr. Speaker, comes from. Any plans for modernizing Bangwe Market? Thank you.
Thank you very much, my honorable brother.
Well, point of order.
I like your last question.
Point of order.
Honorable Minister of Local Government, we have
of order.
5 minutes. I'm sure you'll be able to respond within that time.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker, and through you, allow me to thank the people of Chiradzulu Masanjala for their question. And in asking the question, he reminds us of the man John Chirembwe. And I want to find out if it is in order that where this man comes from, there is no market. Electricity, did you say electricity or market? Market and electricity. Surely it is not in order, and I encourage the honorable member to take up the matter again to the district council so that it appears within their district development plans and priority list, and then we now begin to look at the financing of the same. Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, allow me again to thank the honorable member of Blantyre Southeast for his pertinent question. The question is my minister aware that most of the projects, including markets, do not have title deeds? This is a concern to my ministry and indeed to the government. But you can rest be assured, now that we've decentralized most of the functions, we now have got Ministry of Lands within the councils, we now have got, and that urban development has moved and that is able to coordinate with physical planners. One of the game changers within the district councils is to make sure that title deeds are prioritized for all public projects and the infrastructure in their councils. This has come about along the way because the World Bank, as they come up with their projects, one of the reasons they are stalling is because the councils are failing to report on the ownership of the land. There are so many places where World Bank could have finished projects by now, but when they're looking for, among their assessments, there is the title for the land. For obvious reasons, there are schools that have been built and people now saying we need compensation, we need A, we need B, and it really stops progress. So this we have taken seriously, and every council has been given the mandate to do the same. Mr. Speaker, sir, Lilongwe Sinja is talking about mayors. We will have a look at the laws, and you know exactly what the guidelines and the laws are talking about in as far as this is concerned. And if this is the desire of Malawians, then certainly the needful will have to be done. Finally, the question from Blantyre Sochi Zingwangwa, who handled together with the Speaker's market. The Bangwe market is big and surely plans have got to be there. We will encourage the DC to do that since the Speaker cannot. For Bangwe market and other markets, to begin with, I am pleased to report that we have started under His Excellency the President. We will have pilot projects of a stolid market, one at Lilongwe Area 4, another two at Limbe Market. Maybe you can.
Honorable Zomba Malosa, I take it you want to
extend time.
Move to extend time?
Yes, right, Honorable Speaker.
Go ahead.
Today being Private Members' Day, I would like to ask that time be extended so that the Minister of Local Government finishes answering the questions. I beg to move, right, Honorable Speaker.
The Minister was about to wind up, but honourable members, we have a motion on the floor to extend time in order to allow the Minister of Local Government and Rural Development to finish responding to those questions. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried.
Thank you. As I conclude, I would like to say that under one of our projects, we have decided to pilot at least a story market, and we are starting with Lilongwe here at a place called Area 4. We wanted to do Lidzulu, but we have got another partner, GIZ, who is doing something there. So this partner, we have taken them to Area 4, and it will be an up market. Limbe will have another one. This is just a pilot as we look for more funding, but we have started, and you just seem to be right in the vision of His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika. You are thinking very well, and in Kala. Continue to do that. Finally, let me tackle the question of capacity of councils. The question of transformers is not a question of district councils. The question of transformers is to do with ESCOM. The councils applied long time ago. But as you're aware, for the past 5 years, as the honorable member of Mulanje Central indicated, there were no transformers. So it is not to do with councils. It is to do with ESCOM. We apply, we wait for ESCOM, and that's the only body that is able to provide those transformers. So I will, for this one alone, I will save my district councils. They're okay. I submit. Thank you.